Okay, kung meron mga Toronto viewers, we are here in Parliament in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. And we have the flame here. This is the legislative building, Senate building, and this is the House of Parliament, counterpart of Washington White House or Malacanang in the Philippines. Today, Friday, this one is under construction. 8:43 in the evening in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. The capital city of Canada is Ottawa, located in the province of Ontario. Alright, let's go for a walk.